Good morning, Matthew. Happy Friday. I hope you had a restful night and that you are ready to begin working on IEP goals. So the goal we're going to go over today is goal number 5. And for goal number 5, Matthew, we are going to talk about providing the appropriate amount of change when purchasing different objects. So here we have our money anchor chart, and it is showing us what each coin is worth and their name. So this right here, we know is a penny and it is worth 1 cent. Then we have our nickel, which is worth 5 cents. Our dime, which is worth 10 cents. Our quarter, which is worth 25 cents. And our dollar bill, which we know is worth $1. And then we know we have our $5 bill, our $10 bill, our $20 bill, our $100 bill. Those we know. This was just a little review for our coins. So now for our worksheet. It is called Calculating Change, and we have a picture here of a sandwich, of a slice of pizza, lemonade, and a cupcake, and a slice of watermelon. If you can please take out this worksheet so we can work on it together. Okay, so here is our worksheet, Matthew. Do not forget to write your name and today's date. Today is May 7th, 2021. And our worksheet, it says, imagine you are a shopkeeper. Customers are coming into your shop to purchase items. You need to calculate how much change to give them. These are the items in your shop. So we're going to pretend you have a shop and you sell sandwiches for $5.50. A slice of pizza for $3.60, a lemonade for $2.10, a cupcake for $1, and a slice of watermelon for 30 cents. So now, Matthew, here on the side, you have your orders. And here in the middle, you have the amount of change they gave you, the customer. Now what you need to figure out is how much change you are going to give them back. So you please get out your calculator because you will need it. And I'm going to do one with you and you are going to do the rest on your own. So here it's saying your first order says, can I please have 1 sandwich? So our sandwich, we said, was $5.50. They gave you $6. How much change should you give them? So to start off, what math operation are we going to use? Are we going to add? Are we going to subtract? Are we going to multiply or divide? Yes, good job. We're going to subtract because that's how we are going to know how much change to give your customer. So to start off, they gave you $6. And you're going to subtract it by the amount of the price that of the object they want. So here it says they want 1 sandwich, only 1. And our sandwich is $5.50. What we are going to do now is use our calculator to find out what their change should be. So we have $6 minus $5.50, which equals 0.5, which is the same thing as 0.50. 0.50. And 0.50, can we give them $1? No, right? We can't give them $8. So we have to give them 0.50 cents. This is our answer. And here, what we have to do, I'm just going to highlight so I can know the answer. I was going to make you tell me how many quarters or dimes or nickels we need to give. However, they're not really asking for that right now, so let's just stick to you telling me how much change you just have to give them. So once you have done your math, just tell me how much you need to return, and that will be it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more questions to answer on your own. Read carefully, and sometimes they might ask you for 2 of the items, not just 1. So you might have to multiply or add 2 times and then subtract. And then as you see, the amount of change that they're giving you just keeps getting higher and higher. So as I said, just read, highlight, write everything down to help you out. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out. I am always here to help. Once you have done all of the questions, Matthew, and you have submitted your work to Teams and given a thumbs up, you are good for today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. We will see you back on Monday.